cube 2a plus c x cube b రాశారు c 2a plus c 2a plus c is equal to 0. Next 2b plus d is equals to 1 x square quotient 2b plus 24 x square 2b plus d x square quotient 24. Next x coefficient a plus c plus c a plus c plus e is equal to 0. Constant term b plus d plus f is equals to 28. b plus d plus f is equals to 28. అన్నీ మనం సాల్వ్ చేసిన తర్వాత కంపేర్ చేసిన తర్వాత సాల్వ్ చేస్తే a ఈక్వల్ టు 0 వచ్చింది. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ a వాల్యూ హియర్, సో c ఆల్సో 0 will come. Okay, a value 0 we got, a is equal to 0 and b equal to 1 వచ్చేసింది మనకి. c 0 వస్తుంది. Okay, now substitute b value here. 2 1s are 2 plus d is equal to 24. Send 2 other side, 24 minus 2 అంటే 22. So d is equal to 22 వస్తుంది మనకి. d is equal to 22. Next substitute a c values here. a 0, c also 0, so e also 0 will come. e equal to 0. Okay, e value కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది మనకి. f కావాలి, bdf. b is how much? 1. b value 22. 22 plus 1, substitute here 23 plus f equal 28, send 23 that side, f equal 25. f is equals to 25. 25. 23 minus 28 is 5, no? Yeah, 5. 28 minus 23 is 5. Now substitute these all values in the first equation. That is x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube equal to ax plus b. So b అంటే 1 వచ్చింది మనకి, a0 ఎందుకంటే 1 by x square plus 1 plus cx plus d 22 by x square plus 1 whole square plus ex plus f 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. So this is the method 4. Sorry, method 4. Is it clear, ma? So ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం ఎన్ని మెథడ్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాం? మనం 4 methods. First one is non-repeated linear factors ఉంటే, non-repeated linear factors ఉంటే that can be written in the form of a by ax plus b. a by ax plus b ఫామ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాము. రిపీటెడ్ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటే, డినామినేటర్ కంటెంట్ రిపీటెడ్ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్, so that can be written as a by ax, a1 by ax plus b, a2 by ax plus b whole square plus and so on, ap by ax plus b whole power p. So that is the two methods. The third method is denominator contain quadratic, a non-repeated irreducible quadratic expression. Non-repeated irreducible quadratic expression okay? So that can be written as ax plus b by okay, ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, next denominator contain quadratic repeated quadratic expression, repeated irreducible quadratic equation, then that can be converted into ax plus a1x plus b1 by ax square plus bx plus c, a2x plus b2 by ax square plus bx plus c whole square plus and so on, apx plus bp by ax square plus bx plus c whole power p. So ఇలా మనం 4 methods నేర్చుకున్నాం. Okay, the next one is one more method there, no? That is partial fraction f of x by pi of x, when f of x by pi of x is improper fraction. Improper fraction అయితే ఎలా చేస్తాము? The next method is, let f of x by pi of x be a improper fraction, then f of x by pi of x is equals to q of x plus r of x by pi of x. F of x by pi of x can be written as q of x plus r of x by pi of x, where q of x is quotient, and r of x is the remainder. And degree of r of x is less than that of q of x, less than that of pi of x. ఒక ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఇస్తే దాన్ని ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి మనం చేస్తాము. Let f of x by pi of x be an improper fraction, then f of x by pi of x can be written as q of x plus r of x by pi of x, where q of x దీన్ని ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి రాస్తాం. f of x by q of x pi of x can be converted into q of x plus r of x by pi of x. q of x is the quotient and r of x is the remainder. So, and the degree of r of x is less than that of degree of pi of x. సో అలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి మనం చేస్తాం. సో దాని మీద ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం మనం. See the example. Resolve x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 into a partial fraction. Resolve into a partial fraction. The given fraction is improper with the degree of numerator is equal to the degree of denominator. Improper fraction it is not a proper fraction. So అది మన ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం చూడండి ఒకసారి. x cube is equals to half of 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus r of x. Okay, so x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 by plus r of x by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So that is equals to, this can be written as 1 by 2 plus r of x by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. Okay? Now, x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 into, this can be written as a by 2x minus 1, this is the first measurement, b by x plus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Okay. Now take LCM here. LCM is 2 into 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So here 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus a into 2 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus c into b into 2 into 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into 2 into 2x minus 1 into x plus 2. So 2 values side, after that the denominator will cancel. So the remaining values are 2x cube is equals to 2x cube is equal to 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus 2a into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus 2b into 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus 2c into 2x minus 1 into x plus 2. Okay. Now taking x equal to 1 by 2. Put in the place of x is equals to 1 by 2. So x place lo 1 by 2 substitute chesthe ఇది 0 అయిపోతుందమ్మా. And this value also 0, this value also 0. So substitute here. Remaining is 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube is equals to 2 into a 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3. 1 by 2 whole cube is 1 by 8, 1 by 4 will come. So 1 by 4 is equals to 2a into 1 by 2 plus 2 అంటే 5 by 2. ఇక్కడ 1 by 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is minus 25 by minus 50 by 4 will come. Totally minus 50 by 4a. So a is equals to minus 1 by 50. A equal to minus 1 by 50. Put in the place of x equal to 2. Same. X place లో 2 సపరేట్ చేయండి. ఎంత వస్తుందంటే మనకి 2 into 2 cube is equal to minus 2, not 2. In the place of x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 సపరేట్ చేస్తే ఈ వాల్యూ 0 అయిపోతుంది. ఇది 0 అయిపోతుంది, ఇది 0 అయిపోతుంది. రిమైనింగ్ ఇస్ దిస్ వన్. 2 into b into 2 into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 3. 8 to the 16. 16 equal to minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 minus 5 minus 5. So minus 50b will come. Okay, minus 50b is equal to, sorry, this is minus 2 na? Here plus will come, minus 16 will come here. Minus 16 equal 50b. So b is equals to cancellation 2 8z 225z. So b is equal to minus 8 by 25. B equal to minus 8 by 25. Now put in the place of x is equals to minus 3 not plus 3. X equal to plus 3. So 2 into 3 square equal to, ఇది 0 అయిపోతుందమ్మా. This is also 0, this is also 0. So the remaining is here, this one. 2 into c, 2 into 3 minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. So 3 square 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 is equals to 2 3 are 6, 6 minus 1 5, 5 25 50 C, 50 C. To x keep this one, okay. 2 into 27, here 2 ones are 2 25s are. So C is equal to 27 by 25. Okay ma? ఇవన్నీ మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మనకు వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ ఏంటి? ఏ వాల్యూ is nothing but 1/4 or minus 1/50. A value minus 1/50. B value minus 8/25. C value 27/25. ఈ సొల్యూషన్ అనేది సాల్వ్ చేయడం అనేది మనకు నచ్చిన మెథడ్లో మనం సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మనకి ఏ మెథడ్ అయితే ఈజీగా ఉందనిపిస్తే ఆ మెథడ్లో సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. నథింగ్ టు ప్రాబ్లం. ఇక్కడ నేనేం చేశాను, ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ 1/2 1/2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఒక 3 టర్మ్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, ఏ టర్మ్ ఒకటి మిగులుతుంది. సో అందుకని నేను ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో 1/2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో -2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను, ఎందుకంటే ఏ అండ్ సి టర్మ్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, మనకి బి టర్మ్ మిగులుతుంది కాబట్టి. ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో సి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను, అప్పుడు ఏ అండ్ బి టర్మ్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతున్నాయి, సి ఒకటి ఉంటుంది మనకి, అప్పుడు సి వాల్యూ వస్తుంది మనకి. సో ఇదే కాదు, మీరు ఇంకా అది ఈ మెథడ్ అయితే ఈజీ. Okay, now substitute these all values in the first equation, that is x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to 1/2 plus ax plus b. That means minus 1/50 into 2x minus 1 plus bx by ax plus b. That means minus 8 by x plus 2 plus 27 by 25 there, minus 8 by 25, 27 by 25 into x minus 3. Okay, is it clear ma? This is the method 5. Next method, so I will give some problems in these 5 methods. See the first method ma. See the first one. Resolve 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 3 into partial fraction. Okay, 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 3. Denominator 2 linear factors ఉన్నాయి, the 2 are non-repeated. So this is the first method. 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 3 can be converted into a by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 3. So that is equal to LCM here. LCM and how much will come? X plus 1 into x minus 3 is the LCM. So ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందండి, a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 1. So denominator cancel అయిపోతుంది, రిమైనింగ్ ఏముంటుందంటే 2x plus 3 is equals to a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 1. So this is equation 1. So put in the place of x is equal to -1. x place లో -1 సపరేట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, b టర్మ్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. సో 2 into -1 plus 3 is equals to a into -1 minus 3 plus b into -1 minus 1. So minus 4a is equals to 1. A is equals to -1/4. a equal to minus 1 by 4. So put in the place of x is equal to 3. Put x place 3. That implies 2 into 3 plus 3 is equals to a into 3 minus 3 plus b into 3 plus 1. 2 3 are 6 plus 3 9. B 3 plus 4. 4a is equal to 9. So 4b. 4b is equal to 9. That implies b is equals to 9 by 4. b is equals to 9 by 4. B value 9 by 4 is now. Now substitute a and b values here. The first equation here in this equation. So 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equals to minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 plus 9 by 4 into x minus 3. Okay. See next one. 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x. Resolve this into partial fraction. It is also in the same element. These two are the linear factors and non-repeated. So this can be converted into a by 2 plus x plus b by 1 minus x. A by 2 plus x into b by 1 minus x. So that is equals to, take LCM here. LCM how much will come? 2 plus x into 1 minus x. Here a into 1 minus x plus b into 2 plus x. So denominator cancel out. After cancellation, cancel denominator, the remaining values are 5x plus 6 is equals to a into 1 minus x plus b into 2 plus x. So put in the place of x is equals to minus 2. X plus 2 minus 2 separate chemistry. 5 into minus 2 plus 6 is equals to a into 1 minus half minus 2 plus b into 2 minus 2. So the 0 అయిపోతుంది. 5 into minus 2 value is minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4 is equal to 3a. 1 into minus half minus plus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3a. A is equals to minus 4 by 3 వస్తుంది. A value is minus 4 by 3 we got. Next one is put in the place of x is 1. So x place లో 1 సపరేట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏం వస్తుందంటే 5 into 1 plus 6 is equals to a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 2 plus 1. So a term cancel అవుతుంది. 5 under 5 plus 6 11 is equal to 3b. b is equals to 11 by 3. b is equals to 11 by 3. Okay ma? b equal to 11 by 3 వచ్చింది. Now substitute a b values here. a b values. So a b values here. So 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x is equals to a value. How much we got a value? A value is minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 into 2 plus x plus b value 11 by 3. So 11 by 3 into 1 minus x. 2 into 1 minus x. Is it clear now? Okay? Yeah, this is the first method. Yeah. Remaining, we are going to discuss about some problems in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much, children.